Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We put a 4-inch ProComp lift on it, a modular front bumper with a Trailmaster winch, some 20x12 Moto metal 978 razors, and some 37 1350 R20 Toyo open country RT tires. It's also got some rugged ridge side rails, a 20-inch light bar on the hood, a 52-inch light bar across the windshield, and a rear bumper with a tire carrier. If you want more information on these tires and wheels, click somewhere around here. You can watch a wheel matchup video for more information on these tires and wheels. But your tips and tricks on this 4-inch ProComp lift, we did go with adjustable front and rear track bars. So on the front, with the track bar, what you can do is you can install the lift, not connect the track bar, put the Jeep on the ground, and then turn the steering wheel, and it will shift the body of the Jeep over, and then you can have somebody throw the bolt in for the front track bar. The rear, however, is not connected to a gearbox, so you will need to either do one of two things. Get some straps, and you'll lift up or push one side of the axle to the left or the right as needed. Another way to do it is to get a jack stand and put it underneath one side of the axle and lift up the opposite side and manipulate where the axle is at in order to get that bolt through. Besides that, it's a relatively simple install: shocks, track bars, and springs, and some sway bar links. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, the rails, the bumpers, the lights, the fenders, anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you want to buy a Jeep or a truck or a 4Runner or a Tahoe, but you don't want to go to the dealer, find the Jeep, call us, bring it to us, have us lift it, you just want it all done at once. Luckily for you, we're gonna start posting the vehicles that we've built for dealers that are currently in inventory. So the idea is you go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and you'll be able to scroll through all of the vehicles that are currently for sale on dealers' lots right now. So you can go find the perfect Jeep, the perfect truck, the perfect 4Runner, and drive it off the lot today. So, again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.